Popular mobile drag racing game CSR Racing 2 is kicking off its partnership with racing icon Ken Block this week in Hoonicorn vs. the World Season 2. This in-game event introduces players to hooning, a mix of aggressive and precision driving, and players can get racing tips by following Ken as he teaches his daughter Leah to drag race. Here's more.
Ken Block and his Hoonicorn are legends in motorsports, and now, through a new partnership with Zynga's CSR2, fans can race his incredible car against 15 performance machines in the game.
What I think CSR2 has done a good job in is actually making the vehicle dynamics work well on a mobile app. And that's actually very difficult. And the car coming to life in the game, it really is dramatic.
Ken's daughter Leah makes her first mobile game appearance in CSR2 as she and her father share speed tips for players.
This partnership will allow us to directly bring the amazing vehicles that Ken and the Hoonigan team have created, not only to our players, but also to fans of Ken, and to build your own virtual Ken Block garage.
Download CSR2 for free on the App Store and Google Play.
CSR2 is available to download for free on the App Store as well as at Google Play. And for Northwest Lifestyle, I'm Nicole DeCosta.